In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set layers in AutoCAD, a crucial skill for organizing your designs more effectively. Let's dive right in, shall we? Before we begin, it's important to ensure that you have your layers prepared and ready to go. This initial step is key to managing your project smoothly as you move forward. To check your layers, you'll want to focus on the Layer Properties Manager. You can easily access it by clicking on the Layer Properties button found in your interface. Alternatively, if you're a fan of using command lines, simply typing the word layer into the command line and pressing enter will get you to the same place. Both methods bring you directly to the Layer Properties Manager, where you can view and manage all your layers. Once you have your desired layers in place, you can close the Layer Properties window and move on to the next step. This is where you'll actually start moving your objects to the appropriate layers. Take a moment to carefully select the objects you wish to move. These objects can include a variety of elements, such as lines, shapes, text annotations, dimensions, and more. Basically, any element that you want to organize better within your project. Now that you've selected the items you want to reassign, let's direct our attention to the Home tab. Here you'll find sections dedicated to layers. Within this section, there's a handy drop-down menu for layers, a really useful tool that simplifies the entire process of organizing your work. Click on this drop-down menu, and you'll see a list of all the layers you've created and prepared earlier. Look through the list and select the layer to which you want to move your chosen objects. With a simple click, all the selected objects will instantly be reassigned and neatly organized into your chosen layer. It's a straightforward process, but incredibly effective in maintaining a well-structured, easily navigable design. As a visual confirmation, and just to add a splash of clarity, I've assigned different colors to each of my layers. You might want to do the same, as it adds an immediate visual cue, confirming that indeed your objects have been successfully moved to the desired layer. It's that easy, and this step can be a real lifesaver when working on complex designs with multiple overlapping elements. And just like that, you've set your layers in AutoCAD. It's a simple yet impactful skill that empowers you to keep your projects organized and efficient. Thanks for joining me today, and stay tuned for more AutoCAD tips and tricks.